This is the Cleveland. I'm gonna get this cylinder re-sleeved because of that. This is actually the one that was re-sleeved. You see we got the crankshaft cleaned and in. ARP 1/2 inch main studs all the way around, torqued down. New seals in the back, freeze plugs, and Hey, what's up guys? I know it's been a while, but today we're back working on 351 Cleveland. A lot of things have kind of happened in the dead space in between. Mostly my hard drive that had all the video clips and recordings from all the stuff that I've been doing, it crapped out on me. So we're kind of starting fresh now. I think there's one more video that happened right before this that we might be able to save, but there really wasn't much to it. But anyway, enough about that. What's going on, everyone? We're finally back at it. Things are finally starting to get back to normal with this whole pandemic thing. So my actual job has kept me out of the garage for a while, but we got a bunch of packages in, got a lot of parts to put together. Working back on Corey's Cleveland. So let me just show you guys what we got. So alright, so in the last video you guys saw that I got the Eagle Forge connecting rods. So Corey actually came down to visit a couple weeks ago. What's up, everybody? This is Corey. Corey just got a house. Corey's a homeowner now.
First time homeowner.
Rookie weeks ago, so he's already seen the rods. But that's alright, because I got another surprise for him that he hasn't seen yet. And well, by the time this video gets released, he'll probably see it because Corey does the video editing now. Anyway, let's see. So got more ARP bolts for the oil pan, I think this is. Rod bearings, those are the main studs that are already there. Just seal it. Feeler gauge, or a gauge. I'm gonna need this because I'm gonna gap the Clevite rings that I got for Corey. Let's see what else we got. New oil filter, of course. I got a high pressure spring to go with his Melling oil pump. Now I've read somewhere through some of the group chats and stuff on Facebook that this oil pump in particular already has a high pressure spring in it. But since I already bought the oil spring, I'll probably replace it anyway. Let's see what else we got in here. So that's that. This is the oil pickup. More stickers, of course. This is the drive shaft for the oil pump, so we're gonna upgrade that. Oil pan gaskets. Just bolts for the oil pump. New valve guides. So definitely needed new valve guides. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys why we need new valve guides. So lighting's really bad right now. So in here on some of these, the valve guides are kind of worn and chipped. Well, you can't really see them right now. But just trust me, the valve guides need to be replaced. So bought new valve guides, gonna replace them. and then new camshaft bearings. So yeah, we weren't originally going to do new cam bearings. We were going to just run the old cam, the stuff that was already in there. But since kind of had to ruin the surprise for the rods, I got something else that I'm going to surprise Corey with, and I'll let you guys see it too. So that's right, guys. We got Corey a brand new camshaft. Obviously, comp cams. You can see there it's a 240, 246 with the 110 LSA. I saw this cam on Richard Holdner's channel. I'm sure if you guys are watching anything car related, you guys have at least heard of Richard Holdner. He does all the ridiculous like Big Bang motor dyno tests. He just happened to put a video one day up about a 351 Cleveland that was an M code. Now go figure, we've got an M code, and he made, I want to say 450 horsepower with just the cam and the carburetor. So I thought, well, why not? If he's making that much power out of it. It wasn't too terribly expensive, but either way, I got it. So now, since I got a new camshaft, I figured go ahead and get new cam bearings. What's the point in putting new parts on old parts? So here we go. Let's open it up, see what we got. Probably gonna want to keep these. Yeah, it's a camshaft. You guys will get to see the camshaft before we put it in. I don't want to open up too much stuff because my garage is once again cluttered because I'm horrible at staying organized. Anyway, let's get to it. I guess we gotta get the old stuff out. Now we're gonna be doing camshaft bearing removal on the Cleveland. Might get around to installing it, and then I got a bunch of other goodies that are coming in that hopefully should get here soon, along with the new pistons. Oh, look at that. Got a bearing on there. So we got all cam bearings out. As far as I can tell, this first one's the only one that was different, and it's got 2 oil holes. The rest of them all have one, which makes sense because, yeah, there's one there, one there. Alright guys, so we did get the old cam bearings out now. I did decide to go ahead and take the crankshaft out after all because, one, it's just easier without it being in the way. And two, I need to be able to make sure that I'm lining up
my bearing, the holes in the bearings with the journals or the oil bead holes, whatever they're called. Anyway, I gotta make sure they line up or else it's gonna block the oil passage and we're gonna starve the engine of oil. So when I take it out, it's just gonna be easy to do. So, all right, let's get the new ones in.